Hello everybody, my name is Yin, and I would like to pay homage to the Buddha, Dhamma, and the Sangha, Maha Sangha. It is a rare opportunity to see this much grand Maha Sangha gathered together under one roof in our lifetime. So I'm very honored and grateful to be in your presence and for your preservation of Buddha's pure Dhamma and this mission led by Sadhu and his teacher in the Vietnamese community. I am so thankful and grateful for your beautiful hospitality. I've never thought this was possible since we are all away from our home countries. So we're all one Buddhist community. It doesn't matter where we come from, native or from another faraway land. So I want to say thank you for inviting us to your beautiful place and taking great care of all of us. And on behalf of the Sasana Monastery and Half Mombay Monastery and all the California Buddhist Burmese community, Seattle's, and their Maha Sangha from the California and the Bay Area, we will continue to show our gratitude and our commitment to make sure that the Buddha's teachings are preserved in every way we can, and continue to help towards completion of this project. If it is not this one lifetime, we'll have to do it again and again until everybody can benefit from it. So I'm hoping that this message goes beyond us and to the future generations. One small feat is not small. Anything helps in your home, in your heart, and also in your local schools and communities. So I hope that we take it with us and continue to practice this loving kindness and peace. So that's another way we hope to show it to you, that we will practice the living peaceful ways. Thank you so much for this beautiful opportunity to have Buddha's relics here in this land. Never heard of, never happened before. So thank you.
Sadhu.
Dear friends, today we gather as one Buddhist community, united by faith, peace, and compassion. Though we come from many different countries and cultures, the teachings of the Buddha bring us together as one family. This sacred gathering is a rare and beautiful moment in our lifetime. With gratitude, we pay homage to the Buddha, the Dhamma, and the Maha Sangha, while honoring the preservation of the Buddha's pure teachings for future generations. Far from our homelands, we have found unity, kindness, and spiritual connection through this mission of peace. The presence of the sacred Buddha relics on this land is truly historic and deeply inspiring. May this event remind us that even the smallest act of goodness and faith can bring light to the world. Let us continue to practice loving kindness, harmony, and peace in our hearts and communities. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.